What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can remove your phone number from your PayPal. Now before moving forward, I'm gonna be straight with you guys and I'm gonna get straight to the point. I'm not like other YouTuber and this is not like other YouTube channel who's gonna misguide you until the end so that they get like the views and the watch hour. We don't want that. So I'm gonna be clear. We cannot remove our phone number from PayPal. Yes, we can change them, but if you want to remove your phone number and want to leave your phone number place empty on PayPal, you can't do that. Once you enter your phone number, it's entered. You can either change it or like you can update it, but you can't remove it. All right, you need to put a phone number in that place or else you can't remove it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change the phone number. But if you want to remove it without replacing it or doing anything, then I'm sorry, this video can't help you. For that, you need to go to PayPal support and talk with the staff of PayPal. Then only they can fix this problem. Alright, now with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future videos just like this. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to paypal.com and log in into your account and click on the setting looking icon over here and it'll take you to the setting page of PayPal. And once you're over here, scroll a bit down and where it says phone number, click on change. Now once you click on change over here, what you want to do is click on add new. Now once you add a new phone number over here, there's going to be two phone number. And once you add a new phone number, change that new phone number into the primary phone number. And once you change that new phone number into the primary phone number, now you guys can remove the older phone number which is no longer the primary phone number because you have switched it with the newer one. And just remove the older phone number and you guys have changed your phone number as well as removed your older phone number. So that's the only thing you can do it. You can't remove your primary number. Sorry for that. So hope you guys found our video helpful. Then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And bye bye everybody. Have a nice day.